Hey y'all, just another video on manufacturing and how we understand that lost time or downtime is lost revenue and money. And here's a quick spreadsheet to kind of explain out a little bit of the differences that we do understand for manufacturing and how it all works together. Now, this is a real life scenario from a former employer of mine, and their production was 100 units a day for at least one assembly line. And which translates into 12 and a half units an hour or 4.8 minutes per station. And that's a takt time of what production is divided by time. And if you look it up, you'll see what that is. So for each product getting out the door would take 48 minutes. And I'm just estimating profit was 5,000, probably a little bit more than that. But if you had 30 minutes of downtime, what that would translate, oops, let's put it in the right spot. Downtime is going to be $30,000 of lost potential revenue. And if you get down to an hour, you're at $63,000 because you're losing not just the time for the employees in backing up and what it's going to take to recover, because it's even going to be more than that, especially if you have to meet that production to pay overtime as well. But that's lost revenue that you don't have at that point. So you can't sell that product if it's not available. So that is a potential that you would have. And we understand that downtime is lost money. So feel free to reach out. We have several different for optimizing workstations, reducing non-value added time, also for the equipment to make sure it's up to par for vibration, heat, for preventive maintenance to make sure it's all working together right. So feel free to reach out, and I look forward to talking to you all soon. Thank you.